Enchant me, simplify my life, make me amazing. They're incredibly one-sided wedding vows and the three key principles underlying the Android team's creative vision for the platform and the apps that run on it. As engineers, it can sometimes be difficult to see past our own delight at harnessing the power of an SDK to bend a machine to our will. But ultimately, our goal must be to create that same empowering experience for our users. And we do that by creating apps that are as aesthetically pleasing as they are functional and easy to use. Users judge the quality of your app within the first 30 seconds. It may not be fair, but a disproportionate amount of that judgment will be based not on the functionality, but on the visual aesthetics. Does it look polished? Does it look professional? How easy is it to use? More than just looking pretty, the entire user experience is critically important. With 30 seconds to win users over, it's critical that that onboarding process, the time and effort required to go from downloading your app to performing its main function, should be as short and frictionless as possible. Not only that, but a well-designed app should evoke a visceral reaction that speaks to the subconscious. It should be fun to use. It should surprise in delightful ways through subtle animations and smooth transitions that contribute to a feeling of power and effortlessness. It should let users touch and interact with objects directly, rather than having to use buttons and menus. And it should use rich imagery and pictures in place of lots of words and long sentences. It allows users to customize your app to make it theirs, while providing beautiful and sensible defaults. Create something that works like magic, learning your preferences in the context provided by the device, so it never asks users for information that they've already provided. Provide simple shortcuts to complete complex tasks, and remember data, settings, and customizations, making them available across every device. While it's good practice to create a familiar and welcoming experience by creating a look and feel that's consistent with the platform's styles and themes, it's just as important to remember that this and all the other principles I've discussed here are really just a starting point for your own creative vision. Deviation from the guidelines is encouraged, but where you do so, deviate with purpose.